Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Wednesday to you. Happy hump day. Got another green day, man. Portfolio up 0.61%, $901.78. I take it. Gonna see how long this run is gonna run. Um, Urgent buys, urgent sales. No, I did. I did put a buy order in when the day I brought it. I brought it July the 16th. BGS Foods. What I have done. I brought. I'm gonna take you to it. If Robinhood not acting up, time it shows stuff won't let me get to my history. Anyway, on the 16th, I brought 200 shares at $4. Right now, I got 141.55 shares, but it was 341. But anyway, I had a sale order. I brought 200 shares at $4 even. That's $800. And I put a sale limit at $4.25. I was gonna put it for $4.50. But I knew it was gonna be a while before it make it there. Market is nobody expected this run to happen, and not for this long, these couple of days. But I guess everybody pricing in and expecting that interest rate cut for September. But anyway, I sold it at 425. Bought 200 shares, $4 a share, $800. Sold at 425, for 200 shares at $850. They kept 3 cents for regulatory fees, so $49.50 I made. That was just a quick swing trade. The reason I did it, I wanted to lower my average cost. As you see right now, I got 141 shares. I had 141 shares around probably like the $8 range. You gotta remember, I brought 200 shares at $4, so that cut it down by 50 percent my average cost. I had 141, I brought 200. So it brought it down a lot, and I sold it on the rents a repeat. Reason I sold it, I'm getting out of the food sector. Market cap 342 million with a dividend yield at 18.27%. 52-week high is 944. Um, I think I was like at $8 or $7 or something like that. A share was somewhere high, man. But anyway, I got lower. It kept making new 52-week lows, and I just noticed the food industry looking at Wendy's, McDonald's. They've been having some bad earnings. Not just the food sector to me is just falling off, man. So that's one sector I'm just trying to make my exit out of, the food and the clothes. Even with stuff like Nike, man. Nike is still a good company, but it's just the food sector. They don't have a moat. Too much competition that sector. And for the apparel and shoes, you got all these new brands coming out, man. They don't have a moat. So I'm trying to stick around things that got a moat. And if I'm gonna deal with high yielding, dividend paying ETFs, I want to deal with things. High yielding payers. I want to deal more with the ETF side, the Yield Max, QYLD, RYLDs, because they don't have dividend cuts. They pay you according to the share price of the ETF, versus getting a BDC or a REIT. When they go down, you got the witness and experience the dividend cut. So that's kind of where I'm moving. But let's go get our trade in, man. Just wanted to tell y'all how I am moving, my thoughts and why I'm moving the way I am. So even anyway with BGS, it got a 52 high of 844. I'm gonna let it ride up, see if it ride. Dividend yield almost close to 19% now. So I collect that yield. I got an average cost around about four bucks. So technically right now I am up. But I'm gonna see if I'm gonna let it just run. And even with Robinhood, they got this new way of calculating your portfolio, like showing your average calls, like the average calls and all that kind of stuff. I got it. Anyway, hold on 1 second. All right, OXLC 9 cent a share month. Put your buy orders in at $3.50. I had to show you what I'm talking about. I'm gonna go back to BGS. Anyway, they got this new way of how they calculate your funds. And I don't know if y'all noticed in the last probably 90 days to 6 months, they came up with a new way of calculating it. far as your average cost, to make your average cost look better the new way, but it's not actually. Like my average cost says $4 a share, but really it's not that. It's really a little higher, but the way they did this new system or whatever you want to call it, it make it look lower and cheaper, not well lower than what it is. It make it look better as far as for your total return. But that's how they do it now. So I'm gonna let this ride up to at least about $6. Probably before I sell it, $5.35, $5.50. Cause I don't think my real average cost is $4. I actually think it's higher, but like I say, with the new system, the way they calculate it, it's kind of, they make everything look better, but I don't think it's as accurate. All right, we're gonna keep on pushing, man. PSEC, 4.5 cents a share a month. But I'm gonna say this last thing about BGS. That's why I brought those 200 shares. I know I brought them at $4, and I sold them at $4.25. So I know I made 4.25 cents a share. So that's how I'm swing trading it now. I'm gonna buy it at the. I know I brought this at this price per share, and I'm selling it at this price. Cause I thought my average cost should have actually been higher than the $4. So like I said, I don't know what's going on, but I'm gonna keep on pushing. All right, Prospect Capital going in at $2.81, 4.5 cents a share a month. Sorry to go on that rant about BGS Foods, but some of y'all probably don't even own it, because I told y'all, it's a play you might want to stay out of. It was a good entry position. Like I say, I don't think it's an investment. I think it's more of a trade. So that's what I'm learning. My 5 years plus, some stuff is, even like Western Union, it was an investment a long time ago, but now it's just a trade. Making new 52-week lows and stuff, just something it got a lot of volume, something for you to buy and sell quick, make profit and get up out of it, rinse and repeat. Does pay a good dividend, collect a dividend while you're holding it, that kind of thing. It's an undervalued swing trade, should I call them. That's what UPS and BGS Food, Wendy's, all those now, they are undervalued trades. They're swing trades, but they're undervalued stocks. Anyway, $2. I'm gonna get 5 at 2.81, $2.81. Y'all know I buy 5 shares a day at these prices here at the daily low. Nope, not doing recurring investments. Let's go to ARR, Armor Residential REIT. 24 cents a share a month. Another one I'm riding with. I like this at 19 and under. Go to dollars. $5 worth of that. Ticker IVR. $0.34 a share a quarter. It's also another REIT. MSTY. Been trading a little lower than usual. Last night it's under $19. I have gotten, I think, $5 worth already. I'm gonna go get another 3 while I'm online with y'all. Lower my average cost. I nibble at it at 19 and under. Besides that, I'm not gonna fool with it. I buy some shares at 18 and under. Got ULTY trading at $6.10. I'm gonna go buy a share at 605. I'm gonna get 5 shares at that price. So when this take off and get back past that $20 mark, I don't think it's gonna come back. Gonna be trading in that 622, 631 range. USOY, oil's getting beat up. I already got $5. Get another 3 while I'm online with y'all. I was buying a share this every day in my Weaver portfolio. I stopped in that one and said I'm gonna just trade out of this one on fractional shares. USOI. And cash up on my Weaver one. I got $10 of this already. I'm gonna go get another 10 at this price, especially at it's under $51. When it's going this run, it's gonna go back probably past that $55 mark. Need to get my 100 shares in that play anyway. Another one, Coney. Just been dollar cost averaging in this one, bringing things down under the $8 mark. I got at 686. I think I got some full shares and at $7. So I said I get a little bit of Coney today. Two Harbors. It's up. It's green. Still trading cheap at 14.30. You know what? I'ma chill and just let it have a bad day. This gonna go back. If it does below the $10 mark, and I can load up some more, get some full shares. Ready Capital. The other one I'm taking advantage of, $5 a day at the daily low. That's why the two Harbors I didn't buy. I can cash up on another play. I'm trying to bring my average calls down at 531. I did buy like 100 shares or something like that the other day at like 386. I'm probably gonna buy some more. I know I'm gonna probably swing trade this at 425. All the shares I brought. Like I say, I'm just trying to make. It's really not about the money. I just want to bring down my average calls. You're making money by lowering your average calls because it decreases your losses, your total return. So when you buy them 200 shares at 386 and sell them at 425, yeah, you made 40 something, like 40 cents a share too. So you did make some capital appreciation. But initially, when you buy them 200 shares, you lowered your average calls off the rip. So your total return gonna come on down. So it's gonna look better. Your average cost is lower. Then when it shoots up, it's definitely gonna look better. When you sell it, it's gonna give you your new average cost price. But it's accurate. I can't say. I don't think it is, but we're gonna keep on rolling. That's why I say if you're gonna buy 200 shares at 386, sell them at 425. Let that be it. And pull back, do the same old thing a couple times. All right. ORC 12 cent a share month. Like I say, I already got my 1,000 shares. It's lowering my average cost now. That's a buy at $8 and under. Not gonna go with LFT today. I'm gonna let that come back down on a red day. Horizon Technology getting beat up. Loving it at these prices. $5 worth of this. 11 cent a share month. I already got my 1,000 shares. Gonna bring that average cost down. I'm gonna give y'all this play here. I'm buying this in my Cash App. SRLN. I'm putting money. I'm using this as like a savings account. It's a senior loan ETF, and it got a dividend yield of 7.58%, and it pays out monthly. Trading in the range of 39.08 and 42.09. So it's trades in there, and you get a 7.58% dividend annually. Pay like, I think it's 25 to 30 cents a share a month. I got it in my Cash App portfolio money I got on the side. I'm just sitting in there and just get that dividend and reinvest it. All money got to go to work. OPI. Go get some more shares and put another sell load in at 23 cents. 10 more shares a day. Bring down that average cost also. Let's go with OXSQ. We're going at $2.38, which might have went to $2.37, $2.38 today. I get 5 shares of this every day, bringing down the average cost. It's gonna also be a nice swing trade, 2.38. And another one I got to get is Pets. PETS, and I'm gonna go with AIYY next. AIYY. See, Pets already came past the $3.18 mark. I brought some of this yesterday. Average cost is $3.79 now, jumping up from $2.70. It's already up with 1.44%. $2.70 was the low today. I'm gonna put an order in. I just like to buy 3 shares a day. Gotta see I'm gonna swing trade my way up out of that one too, and not gonna enter it. AIYY starting getting a share of this a day at the daily low, 274 today. Let's see how this play out. Need to bring down my average cost anyway. I'm at 820. All right. Go with the Dow. I know this one got to still be in that buy range, 2262. Buying dollars. CHCT. Oh, that's another one, should be there still. Yep, 1492. Just lowering the average cost, bringing it down, even though it's green. And LYB, Lionel Ball's another good 10% yielder. $10 a day with all those. Got this in another portfolio also, and it's going this run. If I want to get rid of one of my positions. All right, let's go check out traps. Lumen Finance had bad earnings, not LTC. Kinder Morgan. So dividend play, dividend growth stock. What PMT doing? I'm at 1377 now. Let that come on up. Oh, you got to lower the average cost while those stocks cheap. You got to get aggressive at them. AFCG. Get $3 of this one. Will be another swing trade. It's a REIT. They rent out warehouses to the marijuana growers. Got USOI. Definitely getting that USOI $20 a day. Anytime Walmart pulls back, I got this on a $1 a day recurring. But anytime Walmart pull back, I buy another $1 of it just to add into it. And this is my buy and hold play here. Got ULTY, MSTY, NVDY. I should be up. Nvidia been on a tail. 1773 at 1719. What's the 52-week low on this play anyway? 1247. Ooh, Lord, should have got that when it was low. Cheap. GOOI, Waste Management. Got Waste Management on a $1 a day incurring. It's a boring stock. That's what you want. Got USOY. Charge Point making his run. See what happened with that. All right, y'all. That's it for today for the trade. Just wanted to give y'all a game on BGS, what I was doing, and guess you let you learn how the calculations of Robinhood work. Like I said, I've been trading on here for the last 5 years for beginning investors. Just to say, I don't think it's accurate, but I guess the numbers don't lie. SVOL, the play I was giving y'all, this on the run back past 1754. I was giving y'all this at 1670. So my average cost 1675. So just to show y'all, the pays It pays 30 cents a share a month. Sometimes do 27, but last couple months it was doing 30 cents. But anyway, man, y'all stay safe out there. Signing off. Go get your money.